Crazy is I heard about Taiwan 7 years ago when I was making those jumps, and you know, my pride was like, Taiwan, you know, I never heard of Taiwan, the basketball culture here, so I was supposed to be here 7 years ago. I was in the Asian market. I just wanted to stay in the Asian market, man. So I heard Taiwan again. I'm like, all right, let me give it a shot. You know what I mean? And did my homework, see what players was out there. I said, all right. And then the rest is history. I fell in love with it, you know, still, you know, in love with it. So, like I said, I was supposed to be here 7 years ago. I want to be there to help my team win, you know what I mean? And of course, I'm a cheer them on, all that great stuff, but I'm a competitor, man. I love the hoop, you know what I mean? I love showing my talent. I feel like, you know, my style is different, you know, my talent is different. So, you know, it's just, you know, just being a student of the game, man. It was just a tough situation for me, but at the end of the day, we got the job done. I'm a two-time champ. I watch myself, YouTube myself a lot. You know what I mean? I could watch myself over and over and over. And just be, you know, take notes, you know, what I could, you know, improve. To keep my body right. I hope I can be like Captain Dinga Beast, you know, play for when I'm 38, 39, and still have that energy, man. So that's really keeps me motivated, seeing them going like that, and I want to keep that up. I'm always like, I'm always saying like, you don't really got that. It's like you say, expressing your passion, the love of the game. You know what I mean? It's not like, yeah, I want to start a fight or I want to fight anybody. It's like, you know, I just play with a certain style. You know what I mean? A lot of energy. You know what I mean? I'm always hyper, and sometimes Roger's got to tell me to calm down, but it's just like, that's just me. Yeah, people might misunderstood how, you know, I come off, but nah, I'm not gonna start a fight with nobody. I just play with a certain style. It's just, I'm enjoying the game, having fun with the game, you know, at the end of the day, man.
You know that Winston actually talks a lot of trash?
For sure, and I'll be telling, you know, my guys who speak English well, like, yo, what Captain say? You know what I mean? Because I know Captain definitely be talking, but it's always in a good way, you know what I'm saying? So he'll smile at it, you know what I mean, laugh at it at the same time. So it's like I said, you having a passion and you enjoying the game as well while you're talking. They laugh and joke. I try to fit in and trying to ask my teammates, what did he say? And, you know, trying to get the joke, but I got a relationship with all of them. Captain means a lot. One word it's always gonna stick out with me with Captain is Tina. Ding, ding, ding. Whenever the ball hits the rim, he always say ding, ding, ding. So it's like with me, I catch myself doing it, you know, half of the times, you know what I mean? And I know when I get back to the States, I'm gonna start saying that. A lot of people gonna look at me crazy, but Captain,